Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk of money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company InBrain here at Master Investor. Welcome to our community. If you're new, subscribe to our channel and follow us on all other social media platforms. We're doing a live stream on YouTube every single day, so you can enjoy the content over there and get as many tools, resources, and golden nuggets that we're sharing with our community to build wealth online fast. Because if we're not doing it fast, that means we're not doing it with the right tools. Today we have systems, AI, and all the information that we will ever need in front of us to take action and make the type of wealth that we all desire. Today is February 28, 2024, Mastering the Art of Acquiring Cash Flow and Assets, Golden Rule, measure our return on investment with facts instead of opinions. Title, and the reason why we want to do that is because we can read the financial statements, right? And that's why one of the main things we help people understand here is how to read our personal financial statement and then read companies and assets financial statements. Because when we do that, we can tell the real story behind our finances and anybody's or an entity or an investment finances. So we want to measure our return on investment based on facts, not on opinions. We don't want to rely on speculations of what could be in the future. Okay, so we have to focus on building our asset column with real assets that we control with our companies, that we have leverage, we have a voice. We can do whatever we want with it, right? And we can increase the bottom line, we can expand. We want to look for assets that have scalability, leverage, and that we control 100%, okay? And we're gonna show you how to do that, starting with even a small product. It could be a digital product, right? You don't even touch the product. It could be a PDF, it could be a digital course, a tutorial, or it could be an affiliate product from somebody else's catalog. So we don't even need to create our products to start building passive income and wealth online. Today's title is Building Wealth Online, Strategies for Rapid Financial Growth. In today's digital age, the internet has become a powerful tool for individuals seeking to build wealth and achieve financial independence at an accelerated pace. With the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to leverage online opportunities to generate income, invest wisely, and grow our wealth rapidly. In today's talk, we will explore some effective strategies for building wealth online quickly and efficiently. Number one, embrace entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is one of the most effective paths to building wealth online rapidly. By starting our own business or launching an online venture, we can tap into limitless potential for growth and profitability. Identify a niche or market opportunity, develop a unique value proposition, and create products or services that address the needs and desires of our target audience. Embrace innovation, take calculated risk, and be willing to adapt to changing market conditions to maximize our chances of success. Number two, leverage e-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce and dropshipping offer lucrative opportunities for building wealth online with minimal upfront investment. Launch an online store selling physical products or partner with suppliers to dropship products directly to customers without the need for inventory management or fulfillment. Focus on identifying profitable niches, sourcing high quality products, and optimizing our website for conversions to drive sales and maximize profitability. With the right marketing strategies and customer acquisition tactics, we can rapidly scale our e-commerce business and generate substantial wealth. Number three, invest in digital assets. Investing in digital assets such as cryptocurrency, domain names, and digital real estate can yield significant returns and accelerate our wealth building efforts. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a high-growth asset class with the potential for exponential returns. Research promising projects, diversify our portfolio, and take a long-term perspective to capitalize on the volatility and growth potential of digital assets. Additionally, consider investing in valuable domain names or digital properties that have the potential to appreciate over time, providing passive income and capital appreciation opportunities. Number four, monetize our skills and expertise. If we possess valuable skills or expertise in a particular area, consider monetizing them online to generate income quickly. Freelancing, consulting, coaching, and online tutoring are just a few examples of ways to leverage our skills and knowledge for profit. Create a portfolio showcasing our expertise, leverage online platforms and marketplaces to find clients or students, and deliver high quality services that exceed expectations. By providing value to others and solving their problems, we can command premium rates and build a sustainable income stream online. Number 5, create and sell digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, software, and digital downloads offer a scalable and passive income opportunity for building wealth online. Leverage our expertise to create valuable content or solutions that address the needs and interests of our target audience. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Shopify to host and sell our digital products, or create our own website and marketing funnel to drive sales directly. Focus on delivering exceptional value, optimizing our sales process, and leveraging marketing automation to maximize our revenue potential. In conclusion, building wealth online fast requires a combination of entrepreneurial spirit, strategic thinking, and relentless execution. By embracing entrepreneurship, leveraging e-commerce and dropshipping, investing in digital assets, monetizing our skills, and creating digital products, we can accelerate our wealth building journey and achieve financial independence in record time. However, it is essential to approach online wealth building with discipline, patience, and a long-term perspective, and stay focused on our goals, continually educate ourselves, and be willing to adapt to changing market conditions to maximize our success. With determination and perseverance, we can unlock the limitless potential of building wealth online and create the life of abundance and freedom we desire. I hope that you enjoyed today's talk. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you have any questions, of course, write it down. I'll come back and answer them, okay? And join us on our live stream later on YouTube. We have a great topic about creating more passive income using certain tools online that we're going to be sharing today, and we're going to show you how to create an ad and much more so that you can start building unlimited leads for any type of business, for any type of niche. The whole goal is to build our email list with potential buyers so that we can nurture those emails with an email campaign on autopilot so that we can go ahead and turn them into a paying customer, all on autopilot. It's all about controlling systems and building wealth online fast. And wealth means that we have freedom. That's when we truly have wealth. We have assets, and we can do whatever we want because those assets are a system of systems working hard for us. We don't have to work hard to make the money. The systems are working hard for us. At the beginning, we put the effort to put everything together. But once we set up the asset, then we go into the next asset, and we have the time to do whatever we want because we're not working to earn income. We're working to build passive income. It's a very big different aspect of building income, right? Some people build income through a paycheck, and other people focus on building income through investing, and that's what we do here at Master Investor. Rule number 1 is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard for us through sound investing. So that's what we focus on, okay? A lot of people focus on the income column because they focus on getting a high-paying job, and then we focus on the asset column. We focus on acquiring a new asset to build passive income and sometimes capital gains income, right? Because some assets and certain asset classes will only give us capital gains income, but we will know exactly what type of income, whether it's passive income or capital gains income, before we even invest. We know what type of income we're going to receive, and we're going to measure a return on investment with today's golden rule, which is with facts, right? We must measure our return on investment with facts instead of opinions. Know the difference between facts and opinions, because that's one of the main difference between the wealthy and the poor, and also knowing the difference between an asset and liability, good debt and bad debt. Bring you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for investing your time to listen to another valuable talk on money, business, and investing from Master Investor. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company again. Thank you for your business, and keep a Master Investor working by investing in yourself, right? At the end of the day, we all have an investor inside of us, and we create a Master Investor to help you navigate the world of money, business, and investing, to help you come back to that Master Investor that you have inside of you, because you either can turn that investor into an average investor, or you can turn it into a Master Investor. We all have the potential to turn that investor inside of us into a Master Investor by utilizing the new rules of money and investing in financial education, we can reach the level of a master investor. But we all have the choice, because we're going to be playing the game of money for the rest of our lives. So we either become a master at it, or people stay as an average investor. And we recommend everyone in our community not to be average, to do ordinary things in an extraordinary manner. And that's how we become great, because we are honing down on our craft, we have discipline, we have a day full of tasks that are helping us grow. Our bank account is helping us grow personally, spiritually, emotionally. It's helping us grow in every aspect of our lives, because we're investing in the 4 pillars of an extraordinary life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. Stay great and extraordinary and wealthy. Bye for now. Thank you.